Oh, Jesus, I have promised to serve thee to the end. Be thou forever near me, my master and my friend. I shall not fear the battle if thou art by my side, nor wander from the pathway if thou wilt be my guide. Oh, let me feel thee near me, the word is ever near. I see the sight, the dazzle, the tempting sounds I hear. My foes are ever near me, around me and within. But Jesus drew down nearer and shield my soul from sin. O Jesus, thou promise to all who follow thee, that where thou art in glory, there shall thy servant be. And Jesus, I have promised to serve thee to the end. Oh, give me grace to follow my master and my friend.